Watch this video and learn how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Are you having a great day, Artie?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do a drawing?
No,
No? You don't want to make art?
no one to make art.
Artie, this is not like you.
Just kidding.
Artie, you made a joke.
I joke.
Okay, let's make some art.
Yeah, art. Artie loves art.
Come on, let's draw
Let's
Stitch.
make art. Okay.
Good day, Artie.
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
He is now. Let's start by drawing two little black circles in the middle of the page. One on the left and one on the right. Now around that little black circle, we're going to draw a kind of jagged oval shape. Not a perfect oval, a little bit jagged. Let's do the same on the left side. There you go. Great start, Artie. Now we're going to draw Stitch's nose. It's a big round circle in between those two eyes.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Now let's do the left side of Stitch's head. Draw a curve from the left of the head to the eye. Now start from the nose and draw a curve in the opposite direction all the way up, like a J. Now a curve from the right side of the head to the nose. Now let's join the top of the head with some nice wispy hair. That's looking great, Artie. You want a dance break? Go on then.
Has Artie gone for a dance break?
I think so.
Do you want to dance, Mikey?
Clap along, little artists.
That quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
That was some impressive choreography.
I'm the choreographer.
Is Mikey really your choreographer? Okay, let's get back to the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Now we're going to draw Stitch's big ears. Let's do a curve out, then do a little V shape at the top and curve back up. My goodness, Stitch has big ears. Now let's do 2 lines to complete the ear. The long line and then a shorter line to the head. And we'll add another line at the bottom. Artie, do you think Stitch needs another ear? Yes, of course he does. Let's draw that second ear on the right side. Try and match it to the left one, but if it's not exactly the same, that's okay. In art, nothing is a mistake.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Okay, let's draw Stitch's little hands, or paws. That's the left one. Now let's do the right one. We're going to show Stitch peeking over a wall. So let's do a straight line on the left, one in the middle between the hands, and then another straight line on the right.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day!
Well, we hope you followed along with Artie, and we specially hope that you have an Artie day. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.